Ilobolo is not a wedding. Ilobolo is not marriage. Ilobolo akusiwo umtchado. Ilobolo akusimumendo. Ilobolo alicho ukuthi wena songuma nofana ungumfazi wakosobantu. When they have paid lobola for you, it doesn't mean that you are married. Now, before abantu bekhaya bafunde khulu bafuna ukungitshela ukuthi now yekhotho bayi recognize ilobolo as custom as umendo and whatnot. Please remember that everything that was created by them, uyabazi, iphikisa into yesintu so that they can further confuse you. Ngiyabuya lapho, asibuyele emva. Nangikhuluma ngelobolo, ngikhuluma ngani? Ngikhuluma ngesikopilo elenza ukuthi abezimu ababili bahlale phasi bakhulumisane ngokuthi bayafuna nofana abafuni ukwakha obuhlobo na. Lobolo is a tradition whereby two groups of ancestors come and sit down and discuss whether or not they want to be related or they want to begin a relationship. That is ilobolo. Kusese kuqoqa, kusese kukwazana kuphikisana. Kungakho ngesintu sesindebele ekhaya nabaphumako bayokulobola. Abantu abadala ngekhubezwe bathi sisayokhipha amalobolo nofana sisaphekelela inkomo. Kune statement ebahlale basicho and yinto ohlala uyizwa nawe. It's just that mhlambe zange pay attention kiyo. Uzobezwa bathi sisayokulalela amala wabentwana. Ikulumo le ivelaphi? Ivela ekutheni kuba nabantu ababili, isokana nomntazana abahlanganako ngaphasi komuthi nofana esikolweni bakhohlisana ukuthi bayathandana. Abantwana aba bese bafuna ukuthini ukuhlala ndawonye. Omunye nomunye akhamba yokukhuluma ekhabo ukuthi yena sikabone umuntu. Yeke abantu abakhulu nabalandelako ingakho bathi bokulala amala wabentwana bayokuzwa ukuthi into abayitshela umntwana le ikhona na. Nangabe ikhona, thina sibabantu abakhulu sibezimu siyafuna nathi ukuyihlanganisa na. Iye siyafuna ukuthi abantwana bethu bayokwenda, but specifically thina bakwamabhena nani bakwamahlangu siyafuna ukuyakha intwele na. Kungakho kuba nento bathini yilobolo. And then ilobolo, it's not a bride price. Into yokuthatha izinto zesintu sivumele abantu laba nofana ngithi sivumele laba bonje bezikhanyilanga ukuthi basinikele ama tags or new words in English a replace amagama wethu kusilahlekisa further. Why ngitsho njalo? Ngombana na ukhuluma ngebride price ukhuluma ngathi ukhuluma ngeprice yokuthenga umfazi. EAfrika simthenga umfazi. Ilobolo ayithengi umfazi. Ilobolo ayigugu umfazi imone. It's not about ukuthenga umfazi. Kodwa ngizoragela phambili mhlambe kwenye ivideo ngihlathulula indaba yebride price damages ukuthi how English language is used to destroy in our African culture. That's another video. So now, if it happens ukuthi bayakulobola, awubi mfazi, awubi ngumma, usesemndazana, useseyintombazana. Right? Angeke uthi nase bakulobolile so uvunula isiqholo, of which it's yingwane ethwala bomma bakwaZulu abendileko. It's not for unmarried women. Angeke uthi nase bakulobolile so ufaka idzila, which is a Ndebele wedding ring, or uthi wena songu mamthimunyo whatever. Uba mndazana usavunula iphephethu yakho nakho konke okwaziko ebakunikela khona mhla uyokthomba usesemndazana. Igama olithola ukuthi ungumlobokazi ngombana ulotsholiwe. Kunenkomo ezikhitshiweko ngaphasi kwegama lakho. Kodwana akuchukululu izinto eziningi zokuthi mhlambe wena ngithini zokuthi mhlambe wena songuma o into ezifana lezo. You can even continue ufaka amabruku and uphile ngendlela ekade uphila ngayo. Khuyini into yenza ukuthi umuntu abe mfazi wakosobantu? Ukuthi wena usuke ekhenu ukhambe uye emzini loyo nawufika emzini bakwendise. So ingoma nasikhuluma ngengoma sikhuluma ngequde, sikhuluma ngokwela, sikhuluma ngokuthwasa, sikhuluma ngokwenda. Yingoma. It's a chunk, ne? It's a chunk of i-tradition ekulu ethi ngaphakathi kokhona sithola a lot of tradition, a lot of amasiko pilo, a lot of rituals ezenziwako to complete this huge tradition. Yingoma leyo. So na ukhambako uyokwenda uzokusuka ngaphasi kwesintu sesiNdebele uzokusuka la ekhaya ungelesibili ubuye mhlambe ngelesihlanu. You see how many days it takes for someone ukuthi angeniswe emzini, introduce to ancestors, kwenziwa ama-rituals amamukelako, ambathisa ukuthi unguma, amkhiphawo ngesigabeni sokuba mndazana, amfaka esigabeni sokuba nguma. You understand? So as long as kungakenzeki lokhu ungakayo uyokwenza isimanje, umembeso, angazi ngeSwazi bathini, songakabi nguma, songakabi mfazi wakosobantu, usesemndazana, usesengewekhenu. Actually angifuni ukuthi usesengewekhenu because of isibongo somuntu asifi ngesintu. Nangabe uyakhamba uyokwenda, we don't take isurname si scratch esinye isibongo. When you are married, you get three groups of ancestors egameni lakho. Ingasukuthi nayokwenda ulahla isibongo sekhenu bese uthatha semzini. Umuntu akasilahli isibongo sakhe ligama lakho lelo. But that's a conversation for another video. Let's come back to ilobolo. So if it happens that bakulobola namhlanje kusasa you decide ukuthi wena awufuni, uvumelekile, akukho ekufanele ukuthi kwenziwe ama-rituals emela performiwe, awukabi mfazi walapho. Abantu abebazile idlozi belifikile lizokusoma elinye idlozi, idlozi belifikile lizokushela elinye idlozi. So there's nothing drastic about that. If it happens ukuthi bayakulobola namhlanje mhlambe ubhudi loyo okulobolako uyabhubha, awukhambi uyomzilela, awumzileli because akasiyi indoda yakho. That man is just your boyfriend okhiphe ilobolo. Ayikho into spiritually that ties you to umndeni loya nofana idlozilela. Wena nangabe uwedwa you feel like, okay, I've been having sex with this person, I feel like I should cleanse myself. Yes, you can do that. You go to people like me, izangoma, abomelaphi bendabuko ngokuhlukahlukana kwakhona, and get those herbs and whatever. But ayikho into yokuthi kosukhambe emsindoya uyokuzida ukuhlala kumatrasi and everything else. No, you are not a wife there. Wena bavele khenu nofana noma zifikile inkomezo determine anything. You understand? So if it happens ukuthi ngibeke njani, if it happens ukuthi mhlambe nakho uyalotsholwa and then nawuqeda ukulotsholwa kuvela anything nje, anything emzini loyo, awuye emzini loyo. Once emzini bakulobola, umuzi loyo uyawuzila, awusayi lapha, awusalali lapha, awusenza amalunda, awuchideli lapha. Nanoma ukhamba la ngakhona kufanele ukuthi ungasebenzisi istrada sakhona, ukubaleke. Na umlobokazi ekhaya kwakho uyakubaleka until bebabuye nofana until bewukhambe wena uye emzini loyo uyokuphetha into zalapha ezikufaka lapho. So ngiyo kilobolo leyo, akusimumendo, akusiyi wedding, akunandaba abantu besikhuwa nofana amakhotho wethu siyazi ukuthi alawula ma western cultures. Bayegandela indaba ukuthi nawulotsholiweko so automatically so you are a wife, you are entitled to whatever. Yeah, into ekose thina siyenza sibabantu kulwisana nomthetho ofuna ukona izinto zethu, ingasukuthi sikwamkela. No, because these people are trying so much to further confuse us. Bayabona ukuthi silahlekile and bayawina, because a lot of people today think ukuthi bona they are wives because babakhiphela inkomo ezimbili nofana ezisithandathu babalobolile. You are not a wife, you are not someone's wife. Angifuni nokuyimeda ngithi mhlambe engagement, angifuni ukusikhulumela isikhuwa because it's a culture eslimazile sibabantu. I don't even want to compare nayo, you understand? I want to speak for i-African culture and define what izinto ezifana nelobola ukuthi izinto ezinjani. So into enjalo ke bantwana bekhaya, and I hope ukuthi video le uyayithabela. If you have questions you can drop them kuma comment. If you have compliments, you're welcome. Ngiyabawa ke ukuthi ungakhohlwa ukulike video, share it, subscribe to my YouTube channel. Njengoba bese ngitshilo ku introduction ukuthi this is my first YouTube channel. Bengakaplan ukuthi ngizoyenza so but nasiseyifikile. Yeah. So in my next video ngizokhuluma ke about how the Western isebenzisa ithulusi lelimu le-English to destroy isintu, like into zabo broad price, abo damages, yabo, to further confuse us. Abantu bagcine bakholwa into engekho ngesintu. And I'm also going to discuss into yokuthi actually in deeper ukuthi ilobolo le kuhle kuhle khuyini begodu kuba yini kukhitshwa inkomo, because in this video seyide khulu angikagabi ukungenelela ukuthi okay now lobolako kuba yini ukukhitshwa inkomo nangabe ngithi mina kuthenga umfazi, because I'm still saying asithenga umfazi. Nakukhitshwa inkomo akuthengi umfazi. It's not even about umfazi loyo, but it's something else. I'm going to tell you guys more about into efana naleyo, ngihlathulule ukuthi sikhona ukuyi-understand into yelobolo. Ngizokuzama ngamandla ami wonke ukuthi ngibuye phasi ephasini nginikele lona ilwazi leli nikhona ukulithola. Kodwa ke ukubalabala kusizi ngikho khona lokho enginiphathele khona namhlanje. Singithemba ukuthi niyakwamukela lokhu, ningakhohlwa ukuthi nanibukeleko nakuvela abantu abathengisa kulapha ama-ads, do not skip. And yeah, ngiyathokoza. Bye.